Chairman, House Resolution 1723 is a jobs bill that will help our economy recover. It helps our local banks do what they were created to do, loan money to small businesses and homeowners. I was first exposed to the plight of community bankers when Representative Ron Klein, a former member of our committee, invited me to attend a bankers summit he held in Orlando. It was there, for the first time, I learned regulators were placing loans on a non-accrual basis for such reasons as parents or others having made payments on loans while the borrowers were between jobs, even though not a single payment was late or missed, because performing high-interest loans were modified to a more current rate, even though a payment was never late and never missed, and because regulators felt in their opinion that borrowers shouldn't have been able to make the loan payments that they made because the economy was tough. Again, even though not a single solitary payment had been late or missed. Such subjective overregulation makes banks less inclined to loan money to job creations, results in more foreclosures, more layoffs, and longer unemployment lines. The traditional definition of a performing loan is exactly that, a loan which a borrower is currently repaying on the agreed terms, period. This legislation simply codifies that definition. The Common Sense Economic Recovery Act has a 2-year sunset provision, so unless it's extended, it's over in 2 years. But it would stop regulatory abuse, create jobs, and help get our economy back on track. I want to thank you, Chairwoman Capito, for calling this hearing, and also thank the great staffs on both sides of the aisle for facilitating it. I'd like to ask unanimous consent for 4 letters of endorsement to be entered into the record. I have letters of support for H.R. 1723 from the Independent Community Bankers, the National Bankers Association, the National Association of Realtors, and the Florida Bankers Association. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Without objection, so ordered. I'd also like to enter into the record the statement for the record on behalf of the American Bankers Association, along with your request. Thank you. And Mr. Grimm for 1 minute.